This you can't. So let me share my screen also. Okay. I hope it's clear for everyone. So hide. So today we are going to discuss about even we have discussed about one of the very important command which is called top. So top is a command. So with help of top command we can also view the dynamic resource utilization of system. So in Unix, if somebody is asking you that what are the how do we perform? So if somebody asks you in Unix how do we perform system health check in Unix? So we have to say that the commands of system health check is system health check is the first one is how do we perform the system health check. System health check we can able to perform by using below command. One is top, then other one is even df hyphen h du hyphen h inside the file system. These two are the disk related, and if you are having any memory related free hyphen h, the load average uptime, and we'll also use that I mean even going through the var messages under var messages and message secure and networkings are IPA. So now today I'm going to teach you about networking commands. So networking commands. So one of the very important features we are going to discuss. So as part of the networking commands, so we know about even we already know about a couple of networking commands. So today we are going to discuss about a few more of networking commands. So in Unix, the networking commands are we have a ping. Very basic command is ping. Then telnet. So from the telnet, from ping, telnet, and we're also having we are also having a trace route, trace route, and along with trace route, tns tns tns, and even we're also having IPA command, and then we're also having ns lookup. So let me write all the commands which are going to be discussed. So IPA, then along with IPA we're already having VM stat, then net stat, then IO stat. So IO stat. So net stat is one of the powerful commands. So net stat. So VM stat. IO stat. Trace route. So along with trace route, we are also having NS lookup. NS even NS lookup. So NS lookup, trace route, and IO stat, and TNS dump. TNS dump. So along with the TNS dump, so along with the TNS dump, these are the maximum networking commands. So so these are the maximum networking commands what we are going to be discuss. So and even IPA, and even one more thing is if config. If config, ping, trace route, netstat. I mean, even we can also, these are the, so NS lookup. So, dig host, this one we discuss, route. Mm, IP route also, there are, few more. Then, TCP dump, even, we can also take that, TCP dump, TCP, dump, and, along with, TCP dump. So we can also use this, we can also use this, trace route and, TCP dump. And we can also use the netcat. So we can also use the netcat or NC. And even one more important is LSOF, list of open files. So these are all that networking different major networking commands what we are going to discuss. LSOF, and even we can also use this wget and curl as well. So wget and curl as well. So even we're also having a TCP dump. We'll learn. So trace route I have listed. We are going to discuss about more and more. So for routing and all, okay, route is also we're having. Okay, route. So how the networking is, okay, routing and okay, even okay. I mean, this is okay. This is more enough on networking. So okay, for communication commands. So what are the communication commands? Okay, we are having okay, write. Before that, okay, who hyphen t and okay, finger. Okay, then okay, write. Okay, then okay, wall and okay, mail. Okay, mail x. Okay, mail x and okay, send mail. Okay, send mail. So these are all the related to so communication commands. So along with the communication, we're also having a scheduling commands. So okay, which are okay, okay, batch, okay, cron tab, at cron tab. So at batch cron tab, we are okay. These are all the okay, commands we are having. And okay, we are also okay having one more command called okay. I think I mean sleep command. Okay, I didn't okay cover. So okay, okay, some okay, commands, some other commands which we are going to discuss is okay sleep. So because these are the commands we are going to be okay discuss. Okay, sleep and okay eval. So okay, sleep okay eval and okay even we already discussed about okay BC and okay BC I will show you later. BC is the basic calculator and along with that okay even okay let and along with let okay these are the so and okay even okay strings command also. I already explained about strings command. So these are the still okay few more commands okay we are okay having. So first okay we'll discuss about okay sleep command. So for example like yesterday we had okay created okay some shell program, right? So okay cd home by ram ls hyphen lrt cat okay ram dot sh. So in the ram dot sh, so assume that you want to okay stop your okay program execution. So for example, if I execute okay ls hyphen lrt pi sl okay eep okay sleep okay 5 and again okay who hyphen okay b. So you want to run okay these three commands. So now after that, if you execute the sleep 5, the 5 seconds the 5 seconds the system okay waits and after that okay the program will be executed. So okay, sleep means with help of a sleep command, we can able to okay stop executing a program. We can able to okay sleep. We can able to okay sleep the okay, terminal a couple of okay minutes. Okay, I mean the entire program. If you are keeping it in a program, we can able to okay keep. We can able to specify those many number of okay time. And okay, for example, okay, and along with that, so as part of okay sleep command, okay, if you go with okay sleep hyphen okay help, we can able to okay specify the prefix. As I said that okay sleep is a command. So with help of a sleep command, we can pass for number of seconds. Suffix may be yes. I mean by default it is yes. If you want, we can also there is a default M for minutes, H for okay, hours, D for days. Unlike okay, most implementation, so where do we go with okay, sleep command is so if you want to pass the program, if you want to pass the program execution some number of hours, minutes, seconds, and days, we can go with that. So the syntax of okay, sleep command we use it always is so okay sleep just okay sl okay eep sleep 5 or okay sl eep okay sleep okay 5 seconds, which means that these are the seconds and okay sl eep sleep 5 minutes. SL okay sleep okay 5 okay hours and okay sleep okay 5 days, which means that so by default if you are not going to provide any suffix okay it considered as a okay seconds. If you want to stop your program minutes, hours, and day, not only 5 okay 1 to 24 we can give okay any number. So okay, if it is a 60 seconds or if it is hours, okay, you can also if you are not providing anything, if you mention as okay 6,000 okay just sleep 6,000, it will convert okay 6,000 seconds into that okay 6,000 seconds okay it holds it. This is how we can able to okay hold the okay program. We can able to hold the okay program. 5 means 5 5s 5m 5h and okay 5d. So when do we go with this sleep cycle? Sleep command is, so as part of shell programs, okay, we use it. I mean, for example, if there is a server and the server is not responding, and okay, you want to check the status of the server after 5 minutes, and okay, continuously you want to check for every 5 minutes. If you want to stop, if you want to pass your program certain number of certain number of time, then we go with the sleep commands. And one more thing is, so sometimes okay, if you want to schedule a program, okay, during that time also we go with a okay, sleep command. So sleep is okay, simple and okay, straightforward. So this okay, we'll discuss on okay, later. Strings okay, we already discussed. Now okay, let's concentrate on okay, networking commands, because as part of last command okay, I didn't explain much about okay, sleep. So I have completed that okay, sleep. So any doubts on okay, this sleep command? So do you have any doubts on okay, this sleep command? All are okay, simple and okay, straightforward. Okay. Now we'll discuss about okay, few more okay, internals. We'll discuss about okay, few more okay. Now these are all the pending commands which are available. So all these okay, I will try to complete on okay, the end of this week or end of Thursday. So okay, then okay, we'll start okay, shell scripting. Shell scripting is also okay, 2 weeks maximum. So now we'll discuss about okay, this networking command. So all these are a part of networking command. The first very command is okay, ping. So what ping command does? So with help okay, ping command we can also execute from we can also execute from Windows. How do we execute from okay, Windows? Okay, how do we execute from Windows? So okay, I mean we can able to okay, execute from Windows by you have to go to you have to go to uh, you have to go to the command prompt. How do you go to the command prompt? Window or okay, cmd, then okay, type. For example, okay, window or okay, cmd command prompt. So here also we can use the okay, ping command. So ping okay, www dot okay, google.com, www dot so google.com, which means that so the ping command okay, we use it for okay, two purposes. One is, so from your system, if you want to know that whether okay, whether okay, you are part of a network or not. So for example, from your system, whether if you want to know that whether we can able to connect to a network or not. So then during that time, okay, we use this okay, ping command. During that time, we use this okay, ping command. And whether from particular Linux server, whether you are able to okay, connect to that external okay, we can able to connect to that okay, we can able to establish a connections to the okay, internet or not. During that time okay, we use the ping command. For example, okay, ping okay, www dot so okay, google.com. If you are pinging that one, if you are getting a response, so you can consider that. So okay, from my system, so google.com is always up and running majority of the times. So from my system, whether I can able to connect to the internet, whether I can able to download or okay, I mean import and export, I can able to do it from my system or not, that can be achieved it okay, by using this okay, ping command. So ping command, that is the one purpose. And okay, second purpose is, so inside that okay, if you are working on a specific project or okay, something, if you want to know that whether a particular server is reachable or not over the internet. So over the internet, during that time okay, we use this okay, ping command. So we okay, for example, if somebody is saying that okay, I'm not able to access the URL, then immediately what we will do, we'll execute the ping at www.tcs.com or url.com. So if you are getting a response, which means that okay, it is I mean which means that okay, if you are getting a response, so which means okay, you are having access okay, to the internet. If you are not having a, if you are not getting a response, we cannot. For example, so if you take this okay, google123.com. So okay, here we are not getting any response. So okay, this guy has pinged www.google.com. So bytes of data. So what it does, so in this case, so what ping command does is, so you know about the okay, TCP protocol set. What are the different types of protocols we are having in Unix? So okay, we are having application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, networking layer, okay, data link layer. There are total 7 layers, right? So the transport layer, so what it does means, so here also okay, whenever you make a call, so the how the ping command works is, for example, if somebody is calling you, so what you will do, so immediately you pick up the phone, and after you pick up the phone you will say that hi. So other person will say the hi, or okay, then okay, whoever calls you, he will say that okay, hi. If they are calling to me, so they will say that okay, hi. Then I will say that okay, hello. So which means that okay, okay, I mean okay, here we are trying to so acknowledgement and receive, I mean both, okay, we are trying to okay say hi, and that guy is also saying okay hello, which means that so okay, the communication is okay established now. So after that, okay, then okay, we can able to okay continue our discussion, right? The same way in ping command, the moment when you execute this www dot okay google.com, so what it does means okay, even in networking also, okay, it is one of the very vast topic. So at high level, what happens is, so at a high level, so what happens is, whenever you try to, okay, whenever okay, you try to okay say hi. So for example, whenever you are trying to connect to a network, so for example, now I want to establish www dot okay ping.com. So www dot okay ping.com. So what it does means, so directly okay, it will look into so how the networking okay flow will happens, right? So it basically not only from www.ping.com, or okay, even if you go to that okay, internet, for example, if you type okay www. okay google.com, if you type it from either okay URL, or if you type it from okay command line, how it checks is, first it checks that whether um, at high level, so okay, at high level, so if you have created any website, assume that okay, there are lots of websites in that okay world, right? So in okay over the network, so over the network, every website okay contains one valid IP address, one valid IPv4 address, which means that so your okay your website should associate with one of the okay one of the valid IP address, that should be either straightforward IP address, or that should be a proxy URL. That should be a okay proxy URL. So proxy IP address okay, either it should be either proxy IP address, or okay straightforward okay straightforward IP address. So now what it does means, the moment when you okay press www.ping.com, it looks into the okay, if you are trying to connect from the browser, it will look into the browser cache. It will look into the browser cache, whether so okay, whether okay the IP address of, whether the IP address of this server, for example, if you see this one, this is the IP address, this is the 4-digit okay, IP address, whether the okay, whether the IP address of the server is available okay, available in that okay browser cache. So if the browser cache is not there, it will try to look into the okay Windows, okay, it will try to look into the okay, it will try to look into the okay server cache. So server also maintains some cache. So okay, server cache. So if server cache is okay not available, then okay it will okay, then it will look into the network provider. So network provider, I am using okay ACT. So in the ACT fiber net, in the ACT fiber net, so they will maintain okay, they will maintain a DNS, domain naming services. They will maintain a okay DNS. We should also learn about what is okay DNS. So what is okay DNS? Okay, domain name okay service. So the domain name service means so the same thing. So every URL contains a one valid domain name. That domain name should be associated with one of the okay URL. So in market we'll be having .com, okay, .in, okay, .edu, .org. There are okay different types of okay domains, right? So that domain naming, okay, domain name, okay, services. The port number of this guy is okay 53. I will tell you what are the port number of okay our default okay port number okay DNS. It look into the okay local DNS. So if it okay if it won't found, it will look into the global DNS. It will look into the okay global DNS. So in the global DNS, okay, if it won't found, then you will get a response that the URL is okay not reached. The URL is okay not reached. For example, very first time you are trying to okay search a very unique URL, so it found from the global URL. So from the global URL, whenever it finds that IP address, immediately it will try to say hi. Okay, the same terminology. Okay, kind of okay hi from okay from your server to okay this IP address. Now that IP address will try to acknowledge it. After acknowledgement, it will say that okay, again okay hello. The same thing and okay here also. So whenever you do that okay ping command, so 64 bytes, and okay 64 bytes from okay this much of okay seconds, which means that the moment when you enter that www dot okay, ping www.google.com, so ping www.google.com, then immediately it identified okay this IP address, then okay, it says okay hi. So how much time? Within 8.90 milliseconds. So okay, it took okay, I mean okay, very first time it took this much of time, 8.90 okay, milliseconds. So from that okay, milliseconds, then okay, okay, from your internet identified the IP address, and it got a response from there. So since it got a response, we can 64 bytes okay, from so on so to this sequence one number, terminal type, and okay, how much okay time. So you will get a, so if you are there are two things for a ping command, whether if you are able to connect to the internet from your system, even that also we can able to identify by using the ping command. If you are even if some server is not accessible, some URL is not accessible, we always check the okay, ping command. So ping command, so if you when you run the ping command will continuously okay display the output on screen. So if you don't want to okay do this much of iteration, we are having a lot many options on okay ping command. So okay, ping command. For example, if I go with okay ping, so we are also having the interval, right? So ping hyphen I okay to www.google.com. So www.google.com. So it will try to okay run for the two iterations. So okay, after that okay, I mean okay, I mean so here, so if you go with okay ping command, ping hyphen I, so they are saying that, so okay, I means okay interval, okay, how much interval okay you want to specify. So for example, okay, if you want to okay, specify it as okay 5 seconds, so 5 seconds of interval, so you can okay, it will wait for the 5 seconds. If you see the difference, so it is waiting for the okay 5 seconds. It will wait. It is waiting for the okay 5 seconds, and every 5 seconds okay we are trying to okay get that okay by default okay there is a some default okay seconds. For example, if you are not going to so use this okay I, so by default okay, I mean by default it's every second. By default is okay every second. So if you want to specify some okay if you want to specify some interval, we can also use this okay I command. So ping hyphen I means to specify the okay intervals. Okay, to specify the hyphen I means okay to specify okay to specify the okay interval. How much interval like, you want to be. So how much interval okay you want to be okay, okay run it. Now so along with okay hyphen I, so after okay hyphen I, so okay after okay hyphen I, so now if you want to okay run for a specific okay count, okay how many times okay you want to okay do the okay count. So for example okay hyphen C, so if you mention okay hyphen C okay 2, so 2 times okay it will do the iteration automatically okay it will comes out, it automatically it will comes out. Hyphen C means to specify the okay count. Hyphen C means okay count. Count okay how many, okay how many times okay how many times okay we want to, so okay we want to okay we want to okay test, want to okay test. 1 minute. Okay, now the remaining options are not that much okay, important. So hyphen C and hyphen I, so if you want to specify the, okay, which interface okay you want to do, that is the hyphen I. And okay if you want to okay timestamps, and okay if you want to okay, I mean even if you want to okay specify by default 64 bytes, right? So if you want to okay specify okay more packet size, for example, so okay ping hyphen C, so okay hyphen yes, so for 1 to 64 okay 128. So now if you want to specify that okay 138 okay 6 bytes, so we can also okay specify that okay we can also specify the okay socket okay how much okay packet size you want to specify, that also okay we can able to specify the hyphen okay yes. Hyphen S means to specify, to specify the socket okay length, to specify the socket okay length, how much okay you want to be okay specify. Hyphen C means okay count. Hyphen I means okay interval. Now okay if you want to specify timestamp option, so okay the remaining them are okay same, nothing okay much. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. Ping command. So ping is also one of the very okay important. Like how many packets of okay, how many packets of okay, how much packets we are able to send and receive in a okay. I mean in the timing 64. Okay, if you want to send a 64 packets, how much time it is okay going to how much time it is going to take. 64 packets means even the ping command is also having some logic. So 64 by okay packets it will okay, it will create and it will okay give it to that okay this one. So the high and low that way it will try to okay perform it. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So any doubts on okay this ping command? So this is okay simple and okay straightforward. Simple and okay straightforward. Say yes or no? Okay. So now okay, then along with that, so even if you are having any count, okay, even interval, if you want, you can specify it. So ping and okay, stop in okay, first success. For example, if you want to okay, stop on first success, that also okay, we discuss. So if you want to specify the okay, timeout, for example, assume that yeah, this is also one of the important option. So now, okay, for example, okay, if you are going to specify this okay, Google okay, 123.com, it is trying to okay, wait for some time, right? So if you want to okay, wait for only 10 seconds and you want to come out to the screen, then okay, we can specify okay, hyphen W. Hyphen W means to come out from the okay, W is okay here. What is that okay deadline? So how much deadline okay if you are timeout, we can able to specify. So after 10 seconds, so okay 100% okay packet loss. This is a 100% okay packet loss, which means that the server is okay not okay reachable. So if you want to okay ping for a specific Ethernet, so we can also use the okay, hyphen I to specify the okay, specific okay Ethernet. So these are the maximum options you need to be okay remember. So hyphen W means to specify the okay timeout. To specify okay to specify the timeout. To specify the okay timeout. Now we'll discuss about okay telnet. So now telnet is a so next level okay next level command. So the telnet is okay next level command. So it uses the port numbers. It uses a port number okay called okay 22. So it uses a port number called okay 21. So 23. So what telnet does is the syntax of telnet is okay telnet okay server name then okay port number server name and okay port number server name and okay port number. So with help of this okay telnet, so if you want to know that test if particular port is okay, we do have a lots of servers, we do have a okay, we do have a okay, server. So in a server a port is nothing but, for example, what is a port? A port is again nothing but so what is the okay? I mean, so every server okay contains okay, every server contains a I mean, for example, a server can run multiple services. So okay, a server can run okay, in multiple okay services. So in this case, so assume that okay in a particular server you are going to run okay 10 services. How those okay 10 services okay by default will I mean, for example, if we are having a process ID, with help of process ID we can able to identify the processes okay, uniquely. Similarly, if you want to identify the if you want to identify the programs uniquely by using the PID. Similarly the services will try to uniquely identify by using the okay, port number. So according to the as per system definition, a port is a logical communication endpoint used by your computer or device to identify a specific services or application. As I said that, so what is a port? So port is nothing but a port. Okay, it's a logical communication. It's a logical communication. Okay, endpoint. So okay, endpoint. So okay, used by the devices. Okay, devices to identify okay specific services. Identify okay specific okay services or okay application. So and even on okay Unix also, if you go with okay ps command, so okay ps, so we are also okay having okay ps okay hyphen okay ef, right? Okay ps hyphen, so okay hyphen okay ef, so okay ps okay hyphen okay ef. So there are lot many services are running, right? So there are okay few services which required okay port number. So there are some okay system defined port number and okay user defined okay port numbers, user defined okay port number. So by default, if you take the telnet uses the port number called 23, SSH, SFTP, SCP. So even we need to discuss about SCP also. They use the port number called okay 22. The DNS port number is okay 53. And if you go with the Tomcat, Apache, we do have a okay, different okay, default okay, port numbers. So similarly, so if you want to know that a particular server, okay, a particular server, whether in a particular server, so okay whether okay whether a particular okay port is reachable or not, and whether, so basically with help of okay telnet, what we can do is we can able to determine, so we can able to okay determine, we can able to determine whether if okay whether a specific service, if whether service, a specific service is running or not, is okay, running or not, okay, in a linux system, okay, in a linux okay system, Linux okay system. So okay, I mean anything okay, any specific okay service, okay, any specific okay service. You know that every service contains a some port number. So using okay port number. The syntax is, for example, ns lookup. So for example www dot okay google.com, for example 22. If you want to know that whether 22, the port number 22 is reachable or not, the port number 22 is reachable or not, that okay we can able to achieve it by using this okay ns lookup okay command. For example, if you go on okay here, I think ns lookup is not installed on okay here. 1 minute. So now let me check on okay here ns lookup. So okay ns lookup www dot okay google okay google.com okay 22. So with help of this one, so okay we'll come to know whether the particular okay whether the particular whether particular okay port is running or not, whether the particular port is running or not, okay, in here for example okay ping www.google okay .com. So for example okay here we got this okay IP address, right? Now okay okay ns lookup, ns okay lookup, okay then okay 142 dot okay 50. So 142 dot okay 50. So okay 142 dot okay 250 dot 183 dot okay 164. So 164 okay 21 port. Whether you want to check whether on particular this server whether this port is reachable or not, that okay we can able to okay achieve it okay by using this okay by using this telnet okay command. So telnet is also okay, one of the okay, very very important. So I mean what are the scenarios okay we use this okay telnet to know that whether a particular okay port is reachable or not, that okay we can able to achieve it by using this okay ns lookup. So the default okay port numbers are okay default okay port numbers are okay default okay system ports are, for example like if you go with okay 21, so 21, so it is for okay ftp. 22 okay is for okay ssh, okay scp, okay comma okay scp comma sftp. So these are all for the it is all these guys you uses 22 port. And we're also having a 23 uses by that okay 23. So if you use by the okay telnet, so okay protocol will be a tcp only. And okay amazon 53 also where has a service, right? 53 means so okay dns, What is the meaning of DNS? Domain name, okay, services. And we're also okay having okay 80. So okay 80 means okay 80 means HTTP protocol, and okay 443 is okay 443 is okay HTTP okay HTTPS, and okay double 306 is for okay MySQL, and okay 5432 okay I mean there are okay multiple 5432, so is for okay Postgres, and okay 1521 is for okay Oracle. There are okay many, so there are okay many, all these are the default okay ports okay people will okay use it. So if you want to check any particular server in particular port, we can okay get that. Now, if you want to know that how many ports are okay established in a system, that we can able to achieve it by using netstat. One of the very important okay feature. So in net okay stat. So netstat is a command. So with help of okay netstat, so what we can able to do is, so with help of okay netstat, we can able to get okay list of okay I mean if you go with the netstat command, network okay statistics. So with help of this okay netstat command, what we can do is we can able to okay connect to that we can able to display the list of okay ports, the list of ports which are okay which are opened in okay system, the net, which are opened in okay system. So netstat is also one of the okay, very important okay command. So having okay SS, yeah, SS is also a another okay utility. So instead of okay netstat, we can also okay use okay SS. So if the netstat is not working, we can also use the okay SS. SS is nothing but so faster and more powerful than okay netstat. So okay SS. So with help of this SS, what we can do is if you go with okay SS, so pipe okay head, we'll come to know that okay this is the so okay netstat okay what is that okay status, whether all those details okay we can able to get by using this okay netstat. So we always okay use this okay netstat command. So the syntax are okay hyphen a okay hyphen t and okay hyphen p. So for example, if you want to know that whether particular port is opened or not, how will achieve the netstat hyphen ATP. A means okay all, T means TCP. We are having TCP protocol, UDP protocol. There are different types of, there are two types of protocols, TCP and okay UDP. So okay, if you want to display all that okay TCP okay protocols, then okay ATP, or okay, sometimes we'll also use okay hyphen okay hyphen okay L okay hyphen okay A. So we all discuss okay N okay hyphen okay U means okay UDP protocols. Okay, we use so either okay plant U or ATP. So for example okay netstat, so netstat hyphen ATP pipe okay grep hyphen I 1234. So for example, if you want to know that whether this 1234 port is okay opened or not, then okay, so okay then okay we can use this okay we can use this netchat command. And we also use this netchat command some other okay scenarios, some other scenarios also okay, we use this netchat command. So the scenarios are, so for example let's consider you are going to start a service okay called okay abcd dot okay jar. So there is a program called okay ab okay cd. So okay ab okay cd, so there is a program called okay abcd, and okay that program okay you are trying to okay start. So how do we start that so okay, how do we okay start? Okay, I mean okay, how do we start? So okay, how do we start the services? Okay, we can use that no hub command or service or something. So there is a service called okay ABCD. So okay, there is a service called okay ABCD, and okay you want to okay start the service. How do we start the service? Okay, system okay CTL okay system CTL okay start ABCD. This is a one way, or okay service ABCD okay start. But whenever you try to okay, start a service, whenever you try to okay, start a service, so you are going to get a exception called okay, port bind exceptions, which means that so sometimes you will get a port bind exception. So the program fails. So sometimes okay program okay fails with okay fails with okay port bind okay, exception, port bind so exception. What is the meaning of port bind exception? So the meaning of this okay, port bind exception is, so when you are trying to run the program, So this ABCD program, okay, this ABCD program required, so okay, 9,000 port. But this port is already opened by some other program. So in this case, I mean, it is trying to establish a connection with that port. That port is already okay, okay using by some other program. So in this case, you can't able to start your program. So in that case, what we do is, so we'll try to use so netstat hyphen okay ATP pipe okay grep hyphen I okay 9 so we'll get a some process details. So once you get the process details, then we will try to check okay which program is using, then accordingly okay we'll get a process id, which process id is occupying, then from there okay we can able to okay take whether that is important, okay we'll continue. This is okay, I mean in this case we'll try to change the different port and we'll try to okay start. If that is that not important, we'll terminate the program and okay we'll start okay this program. That is also one of the important okay feature of okay netstat. So now okay ping okay netstat and okay ping netstat and okay even okay telnet, these three are the very important okay commands. So along with okay netstat, for example if you see this one ss, right? So net id, so okay ss okay hyphen okay help, there will be multiple as I said that. So okay, I mean okay, A means okay all display all sockets. L means only that okay listening. So O means okay options. Hyphen U means extended memory process. So okay, I mean I for okay U means okay UDP. D means DCPP. Okay, display only the DCPP, UDP, TCP, only the packets. So family, so Unix display Unix domain sockets. All those things okay we can able to so use it by using this okay ss command. So okay ss okay hyphen okay x only the system related okay systems. If a team is only the okay TCP ports. So if you go with okay u means okay UDP ports, whatever the UDP ports are there. So that only okay we can able to so we get it. So for example okay we don't have any UDP ports. TCP means these are the TCP ports, and okay we are also having so IPv4, if you want to display only the IPv4, SS hyphen 4, hyphen 6 means IPv6 address. All those details we can able to okay, achieve it okay by using this okay by using this guy. So if you go with okay A all, so all these are the so established. For example, if you check on okay here, so okay if you check on okay here SS hyphen A, okay SS hyphen A more. So SSIFN more. So we'll come to know that. So okay, there is a kernel. All these are the okay, stars. All these are the stars. For example, if you take this one, u underscore str listen, the port number is 16202. 16202. It is going to listen, and okay, all these are the different ports. Okay, they are trying to okay use it. So this is a port number. These are the port numbers where we are trying to okay use it. Where we are trying to so okay use it. So okay here. So okay here you see that okay, net ID state okay, receive queue okay receiving okay queue, sender queue, local address and port, and okay peer address and okay port, peer address and okay port. This way we can able to be understand how it is going to be okay work. So this is about the so netstat okay command, and we're also having okay ns lookup command. So the ns lookup command is okay simple, and okay with help of ns lookup command, so with help of ns lookup command, ns lookup, so okay ns lookup, so by default, so with help of this ns lookup command, for example if you execute okay ns lookup, so ns okay lookup, so www dot okay google okay dot com. So it will provide you the IP address from which IP address you are going to get the internet. That details okay will show you. And similarly ns lookup, if you try to okay use this okay IP address, if you try to okay use this okay IP address, so okay IP address like 142 dot okay 250 dot okay 183 dot okay 164. So we will come to know that. So okay I mean 142 150 183 164. So if you are having the name, whatever the name is associated to that, so you will get that. So vice versa. So for example okay, okay ns lookup, so www dot okay www dot so youtube.com. So for example okay, if you go with okay youtube.com, so we are going to get the response from these many IP addresses, these many of so IP addresses. So we do have IPv4 and IPv6, okay, as well. That's why we use this, okay, ns lookup, okay, command. And we're also having another command called so if config. So if config, so okay, if config, okay, hyphen a. So okay, okay, if config, so or okay, IPA. So if you go with okay, IPA, the IPA will okay clearly shows us how many how many networking devices are available. So I okay, this is the one okay, this is the this is the one Ethernet. This is another Ethernet. So with help of okay this command, so we can able to okay see okay, we can able to okay see so from which Ethernet okay, you are trying to get the network. So here ENP0S3 is the Ethernet. So from here, so you are trying to okay, this is the okay, our source IP address and this is the range. So how many packets have dropped or okay, okay, all these details we can able to get by using this IPA command. So IPA is also so IPA is also one of the so most okay, important command. So for our day-to-day okay operations. So to know whether IP address is available or not, that we can able to get by using this okay IP okay, IPA okay command. Thing is available. So now we're also having another command called okay trace route. So okay trace route. So what trace route okay does is 1 minute. Now we'll also discuss about a command called okay trace route. So TRACEROUTE. So what this trace route command does is so with help of this trace route command we can able to check whether so assume that you are trying to establish a connection from okay your okay, server to some other server. So there are okay, okay assume that so let's take an example of okay this guy you are having a server so and okay, you are trying to okay establish a connections to some other server. Okay, establish connections to other server. Now from this server, so you are trying to establish www dot okay google.com. So that thing now, so from here to here, how the network is traveled okay between the two line okay between the okay two servers and how much time okay I mean for example if you are going to so you started your journey from okay journey from Bellandur to okay, Bellandur to Silk Board. So you okay, I mean you get in a bus. So okay, for example, it will say okay, I mean the total travel time is 30 minutes generally. But if you want to know that, so from Bellandur to okay Agra how much time? So Agra to okay HSR layout how much time? HSR to again okay Silk Board how much time? So the cumulation of these three, I mean cumulation of okay each stop okay timing, we will call it as okay total timing, right? So total it will be it says that okay 30 minutes. In out of that, if you want to know that how much time it has took for okay each and okay every stop, okay then okay we need to calculate manually, right? So similarly in okay, networking also whenever you try to establish a connection okay between two linux okay between okay, I mean from your server to some external okay, okay external server or external okay IP address when you are trying to access the network. So if you want to know that from where to where, for example okay from how much time it has okay, taken from source to destination, all those details okay we can able to get so by using this okay trace route. For example if you go with okay trace route, so this is how it will looks like. For example, if execute, so okay, trace route this command name. So from here to here, how much time okay it has okay taken. So for example, so okay, let's take okay this guy. So trace route. So okay, there is a URL. So you are trying to run this okay URL. So from this URL, so okay, they are trying to okay trace route of IP, whatever the IP. So okay, for example, initially it has reached to okay 100.1. The next stage is 177.13. Next stage is 114.117. Like that it has reached and eventually the destination is this guy and it has reached to this time, like how much time here it 10 10 milliseconds, 20 milliseconds. So the total is, for example, if you take 50 1 minute of time, so the clear information of that it will be so available on here. For example, if you take this guy, so trace route, so I mean tracing route to, so www dot google.com. So from here to here, so 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond, 24 milliseconds, every details of information it will clearly shows it. It will clearly so for example, trace route of example.com. So for example, from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, so from how many stages it has I mean it reached, all those details we can able to get by using this trace route command. This is about the, so trace, for example, trace set. For example, we do have a trace set. Yeah, we do have a trace set. Www dot google.com. So if you go with trace set, so now, so it will try to say that from here to there how much time it has taken. For example, one, so two, so all those details, so we can able to validate. We can able to validate. So but in Unix it is a trace route. Trace route is a command where you will try to, it will clearly says that from here to here how much time it is going to take. How many times it is going to take that. That is the, so intent of trace route command. All these are the simple and straightforward. And tomorrow, so we'll discuss about few more commands. So which are vmstat, so iostat. The vmstats are nothing but virtual memory statistics. So vmstat, so vmstat hyphen help. So if you want to know that how many virtual memory statistics and all, we can able to get by using this vmstats. Then processors, memory, swap, IO, the same top command only will get it. And if you want to get that in multiple slabs, clear slabs, we can use this hyphen m. So here, so hyphen disk statistics. For example, if you want to get only the disk statistics, so we can able to know that how many disks are available and what is their statistics. So for example, how much is the total major sectors, all these reads per, we do have RPM, right, rotation per minute. So all those details we can have how many disks are there, and what is how they how it is going to behave. So we're also having hyphen p partitions details, and even these are the, so if you want to show that timestamp, even timestamp also you can able to get by using this. For example, if you go with d, so this timestamp how it is going to display those details, we can able to get by using this vmstat. So if you go with iostat, so even even in vmstat, so certain intervals also we can able to run the program. So vmstats, so for example, if you want to if you want to specify some timings and all, even that also we can able to achieve it. So if you go with iostat, so iostat will I mean vmstat, iostat is not there. So input output statistics we can able to get by using this iostat. Iostat is also a command related to the networking. So so if you want to check that how the disk is performing, all the disk stats and all, we can get by using this vm stats, vm stat and io stats. And even the remaining things we'll discuss on tomorrow's class. So it will be quite I mean it's already too much.